Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video 10 cool things you can do with the Samsung Galaxy A05s. And the first thing I want to show you is if you want to use the phone with one hand, it's not that comfortable because it's a bit tricky sometimes to reach everything here on the screen. But for that you will have a mini screen feature here by just swiping down the home button, and then you will have here this little mini screen and you can do now whatever you want to do. And you can even play games with and write messages and so on and so on. So pretty nice. But don't wonder if this feature doesn't work at you because you have to enable it first. For that, just scroll down here, tap here on the symbol for the settings. Then you need to scroll down to the point advanced features. Here it is. And you will need to point one-handed mode. And it has to be marked blue here, like in my case. No? So just tap here, that's marked blue. And that means whenever you swipe down on the home button, you will have this mini screen. By the way, if you're left-handed, you can put it also here on the other side. No? Pretty nice. And also here with the bar on top of it, you can swipe it in another position because that you have the most comfortable position here for your thumb. So pretty nice. If you're ready with it, no? Just tap here on the outside and you're back always at the regular mode. The next feature I want to show you is also for the large screen. That allows you to let run two apps at the same time. Maybe if you want to watch a YouTube video, you can check something else next to on the internet web browser. Let me show you a bit more about. Let's maybe open the app here, YouTube. Just as an example, you can open also other apps. Then you take your phone, take two fingers and swipe them from below to the middle, and then you've split the screen. Now you can choose an app here for the lower screen. Maybe let's keep going on with our example here, the internet browser. And now I'm having here below the internet browser and on top YouTube. Pretty nice, huh? But don't wonder if this feature doesn't work at you because you have to enable it also first. Let me show you how. So just scroll down here, tap here on the symbol for the settings. Then you need to go again to the point advanced features. And here you will find the point multi-window. And I recommend to you to enable now the first 2 points here, like in my case, so swipe for split screen and swipe for pop-up view. And this allows you, let me show it again with our example here, to open YouTube, or another app, no? Take two fingers, swipe them from below to the middle, and you have split the screen, and now you can choose here another app below what you want to have. Now let's keep going on here with the internet browser. And the 3 points in the middle allows you to have a bit more space if you long press them and swipe them to the top or below, to have a bit less space for it, or a bit more space for it for the lower one. So pretty nice. And when you want to go out, just tap on home button and you're back to the regular screen. Okay, let me show you something else. Because the same thing we have done now to split the screen, you can open also apps in a pop-up view. For that, just open an app you want to have. Let's continue maybe in our example here with YouTube. And now swipe here from the corner gently to have a floating window. Now you can here now select the size like you want to have it. Leave your finger and we're having now a floating window in your size. With the blue bar here on top, you can put it also in another position. And yeah, that's it. Now you can watch a video or you can do something else on your phone. And it's free. You can put it also in another position here at the corner and so on and so on and so on. Pretty nice. If you want to stop it, just tap here on the blue bar and you can full screen it, or with the X you will remove it. So a pretty nice mode as well. And you can clone apps here with the phone. So that means if you're having more than one Facebook account, you don't need to switch now always within one app. No. You can have separate apps for. Or if you want to have another WhatsApp account, it's now possible. You can insert 2 SIM cards. No, why not having one WhatsApp account for each number? Let me show you a bit more about. So, of course, first of all, you need the app here on your phone, like in my case. Then just scroll down here, tap here on the symbol for the settings. Then let's go again to the point advanced features. As you can see, there are very nice points in it. And here at the end of the list, we will have the dual messenger. Okay. As the name says already, you can just clone messaging services, and here you will see a list which apps are available for that service. Let's clone maybe WhatsApp here. Just tap here, go on install, then you have to confirm something for the very first time. Now you can choose if you want to have a separate contact list. Normally you don't need that, but you can set it up later as well. Just go on next here, go on OK. and then the phone is creating a second WhatsApp app. I will show you later how it looks like. Okay, but first of all, I want to show you here you can always enable a second contact list, no? If you want to have it. Okay, let's clone also other apps here. Just tap here, no? Go on install, and it's done. Let's do the same with Facebook. Install Messenger. Let's take all. Okay, now we have cloned our apps. Let's have a look how it looks like and how you can recognize them. Yeah, the up drawer here. So this is my main WhatsApp account. This is my second one. And as you can see, you can recognize it here with the orange mark at the corner. My main Snapchat account, my second one. My main Facebook account, here is it. My second one, Messenger. No, the same thing. Always you can recognize it. The second app here with the orange mark. Pretty nice. The next feature I want to show you is for the flashlight, or the torch. You notice already, maybe here if you scroll down here, you will have always here the flashlight symbol. You can on it and off it and so on. But you can do something else as well, because you can change the brightness of the torch or the flashlight by just long pressing this icon, and then you have here the option to change the brightness. Just turn it on and I can increase it or make it a bit lower. Choose the best one. So I would recommend to you to always increase it, because in case you have always the most powerful flashlight. After, just go here on done, and it's safe for the future. Whenever you turn now your flashlight on, you have always the brightest version. So pretty nice. The next feature I want to show you is if you're in cinema or in the restaurant and you forgot to put your phone on silence and someone is calling you, you can easily mute your phone by just putting it on a flat surface, and the phone is immediately on silence. And let me show you something for the camera, because you can quick launch it by just double tapping the power button, and you're immediately at the camera without looking for the camera app and so on. It is saving a lot of time. And pretty awesome at this feature is it works as well if your phone is on standby. Even then, just double tap the power button and you're immediately at the camera without wasting time. And hey mate, this saves a great picture one day. And if you're already at the camera, let me show you something else, because if you're on the front cam here, we can easily make a selfie by just lifting up our hand, and he's recognizing that you want to make a selfie. Then smile and you have your selfie. One more time, lift up your hand, then he's recognizing, 3-second countdown, smile, and you will have your selfie. And if you want, you can take also your screenshot. So this is a picture here from the display. Whatever you do, you can picture it. And for that you will need the buttons. So the power button and the volume down button, just press them for short together and you're having this screenshot. After you can see the preview, you can edit the screenshot or you can share it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button, just for short together, and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now here the editing symbol, you have also the chance to draw something inside or to highlight something here, or here at the corners. You can crop a part of the screenshot, but it's very useful if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or something like this. After you can share this edited part, and with the arrow you will send it to your gallery. The next feature I want to show you is for your eyes, because we are all using our smartphone too often and that is giving our eyes a lot of stress. But there's a way to reduce that stress by just enabling a blue light filter. Let me show you a bit more about. So just scroll down here, scroll down a second time. By the way, then we will have much more icons here. And one of it is here, the Eye Comfort Shield. If I turn it on, you will see that the color of the screen has changed a bit. Now we have a little yellow touch right now. And this is a blue light filter. And I would recommend to you now to long press here this Eye Comfort Shield, because then we will have some more options. We can change the color temperature. As more warm it is, as better it is for your eyes. May at the beginning a bit unusual, but your eyes get used to pretty fast. You should really enable this feature. And it has also many advantages for your sleep, because most of the time we're using our smartphone in the evening hours or in the night, and that let us don't let us good sleep after. But with the blue light filter, you will sleep much better. And if you say, okay, I don't want to have this yellow screen on the day, I recommend to you to have it at latest in the evening hours. And if you want to have it only in the evening hours, you can set it up automatically. So go and set scheduled. Change it now from sunset to sunrise. And go on now while using the app. and go on allow all the time, go back with the arrow, and that's it. Now it's only, also it's automatically enabled at the evening and the night. But I recommend to you to use it all over the day. If you can, just go and set scheduled and go on always on. That's the best for your eyes. So let me turn it off in case you don't like it. Let me show you something else for the evening or the night. Because if you are watching something in the evening or the night, the screen is pretty bright. If everything is dark around us, it's pretty uncomfortable with a very bright screen. But you can enable a dark theme. Let me show you a bit more about it. For that, just scroll down here. Scroll down a second time. And then we have here this dark mode. If you enable this feature, many things becomes dark, what was pretty bright before, like in that case. It has still a yellow touch because the blue light filter is enabled now. Let me turn it off that you can see. You see, it's pretty dark and it's pretty nice for the eyes. But the best is in combination with the blue light filter here, the eye comfort shield. But the disadvantages here of the dark theme, on the day it's the opposite. It's not that good then for the eyes. So I would recommend to you to have this dark theme only in the evening hours and at the night. And that you don't have to turn it on and off by your own. You can schedule it as well. So just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, long press now the dark theme or the dark mode with the moon symbol here, because then you will have the chance also to turn it on as scheduled and go here also from sunset to sunrise. And that means whenever the sun sets, the dark mode will turn on, and if the sun rises, the dark mode will turn off automatically. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your questions and show you maybe some nice tips and tricks here for your phone and so on. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure if you see us again, and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.